Hi everyone, Sylvia here and welcome to my review of the Puff. So the Puff is the newest launch of Neller Fernandez. Okay, a very cool guy, a friend of mine, a good colleague of mine. I'm super happy to review this product and to promote it too, because I think the method he talks about, he shows you in this training course, which is combined with a simple software that you can use for generating Instagram traffic. Okay, so it's about Instagram. Is a pretty cool method, and I see the potential in it. But it's not like, don't think it's I'm telling you it's like make money fast and like from tomorrow and all of that, so forget this. But if you really put your mind into it, and if you have like a good idea of how to utilize this method, you will see the potential of it. And I am quite a good person to talk about this product too, because I have been one of Neller's beta testers for this product. So I'll show you what I have achieved sort of, but again, it's not a make money fast, guys. You need to have a vision. Okay, but he shows you very well in this super well structured training course how to make the best use of this method. Okay, so let's jump in. As you can see, I already set of the Puff, so I'll give you a walk through this product, show you what you can find inside. And then let me just show you, we have the whole funnel here just for upsells, so not like a never ending, list of upsells. And then I'll show you my own example of how I created my Instagram profile. I don't know why it hasn't loaded up yet, but okay, there you go. So we'll check this out, the Instagram profile I created based on this training course. And then we are on the sales page, and what else do we have here? Let me check that out. I think that was just a picture of Neller, actually. I wanted to show you, but never mind, it's struggling to load it up. Okay, on the sales page, I'm not gonna spend ages here, guys. I'm just gonna point out to you that if you kind of hover over the sales page, pretend you want to exit, stuff like that, this pop-up is gonna come up of $5 discount, so take advantage of it. So instead of $17 during the launch period, you will pay $12. Okay, so here I put the link to this sales page below my review, so go check it out. Again, I'm not going to really spend time on it. It's quite a sweet and short sales page. No beating around the bush. He pretty much says as it is. So he says this like, expose our new secret app and system, unlocks daily commissions for us by sending daily buyer traffic to our offers. So he basically talks about Instagram traffic, and like, I forgot the numbers, like what, 2 billions? I don't know. I don't want to exaggerate. I don't want to come up with a ridiculous number, but a lot of people on Instagram, obviously. And he shows you how to follow people, okay, using the software who will, so the software will automatically follow people who will be sort of like targeted traffic. So people in your niche, and Neller will help you decide, he will tell you, decide what your niche want to go into, and then you have to follow those, like the followers of, you have to find a person with big audience and follow his or her followers, okay? And they will most likely follow you back. It's not a rule of thumb or anything like that, but eventually, as you start growing, as you can see from my Instagram, okay, I don't know why it sort of got frozen, but once my profile on Instagram loads up, I'll show you what it looks like. So I was saying, not necessarily everyone will follow you back, but once you create a nice Instagram channel, people will just start following you. And if you set it up professionally, if you put in like links in your profile, because that's alright. So again, do check it out, the sales page, and if you wish to purchase it, just on that sales page you will find like a call to action, buy now or something like that, and that's where you can buy it from. Now let me show you the members area as well. Okay, hold on. And this is the whole funnel, and what else we had. Okay, here's the whole funnel. Members long, guys, because I am actually limited to 15 minutes only. I'm kind of like having issues with my recording software, so it's gonna be rather sweet and short, but I'll tell you all you need to know about this product. So here you'll have like a welcome video first. That's the whole training, and then here's some bonuses and the upgrades. You can upgrade from inside of the members area of the front end, and then in the main training, this is the main part. So overview, profile update, so how to set up your Instagram account in a very professional, nice way, and how to set up your link using this like amazing, I had no idea about this, like, you know, link tree. And so it's like, it's gonna look something like this. So let me show you my Instagram account. Okay, it's gonna look super cool, professional. So you write something about yourself, and he will, like, Neller will the link to where to get the special Instagram fonts from. Okay, so write something about yourself, like a little sweet profile, and then you see you put this link. So it is one link, looks very professional, it's customized, so it's like a link tree. Okay, and Sylwia Gumienna is me, right? Okay, and then if you click on this link here, it's gonna take you to that. So under one link you can put many other links. Okay, and then it will actually give you some so-called what you call them, lead magnets. Okay, so he gave this like money magnet, one of his courses, as a lead magnet, and then you will connect this to your autoresponder, guys. And here inside of the members area, he will show you how to hook it up with Aweber. He recommends, or also Get Response as well. And both of those autoresponders are super reputable, good autoresponders. Don't go for anything else. I mean, there is MailChimp as well, this and that, but Get Response and Aweber are really like the best ones. I mean, I have accounts with both, okay? And Nella actually helped me like get myself into Aweber as well and stuff like that. So if you link all of that up, your autoresponder with these like money pages he talks about, okay? So here, for example, like this one here, if I click on this one, I'll show you where it takes me. Alright, so it takes me to this opt-in page. So my name is here, it's looking very professional. It says get this affiliate marketing course worth $97 for free, enter your details to get access. So people will click on that, like going to your Instagram, and he will give you a software to get the followers, and some people will follow you back. As you can see, I'm following like over 900 people, and like 300 follow me back, but this is kind of like just the beginning. No, not everyone is gonna be following you, but now it's like, what is happening? New people I didn't even follow to begin with, follow me first. So, you know, it's a start, and this is gonna be like a blank sort of canvas for you guys, so you can paint on it whatever you want. So this is like, you see, I've already added some like pictures on it, some like motivational quotes, something I believe is like a way to make business, right? Some of my reviews, and I put the sort of like my YouTube channel here on it too. You see, you can add I added my Facebook and my YouTube channel. So if you click on this, they will be taken to my YouTube channel. So from, again, my Instagram account. So under this one link, all of that will be happening. And again, I click on this like get money magnets course worth blah 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 for free, and if people click on that, they'll be taken to the opt-in page, which is, by the way, connected to your autoresponder. And in the training course, Nella will show you how to set all of that up, right? And then you are getting leads. Okay, I have already got like some leads, but it's just the beginning, guys. So it is a nice way to start growing your list. Okay, it is gonna take some time. Don't think it's like get rich quick, but it's a cool method. Okay, Instagram is also a good source of traffic. So, well, I would say it is more popular in some niches like health, probably makeup. So it doesn't have to be, guys, about making money online. Okay, Nella just makes suggestion. You can use this like lead magnet for now. Okay, from me that I give to you, you can use for free. But you can by all means use any other lead magnet, or you know, what you call it, I forgot, like an ebook or something that you will give away for free in exchange of people's email addresses, so your subscribers. Okay, so in whatever category or niche you want to make it about. So obviously your Instagram doesn't have to be about making money online. It's totally up to you, but he will give you the sort of blueprint, a method of how to do it, how to set it up professionally, how to connect your autoresponders and all of that, because it's very, very important to set it up properly. And just to give you a proof of, like, you know, here I have been chatting with Neller. So, you know, I am his beta tester. So here I've been talking to him a lot about it, and he actually gave me a free access to the pro version of the software, which will allow you to follow 100 people a day and even send them text messages, because in the front end 30 people a day. Okay, but let me just actually maybe show you so the front end $17, guys, with $5 off. During the launch, you're gonna get it for $12, and then OTO number 1, this is the one I have also access to, is $37. So it's like a pro version of the software that will allow you to follow 100 people a day plus send them text messages. Okay, and then OTO number 2, $47. OTO number, it's gonna be, you're gonna get, I'll tell you what you will have. And then OTO number 3, $67. OTO number 4, $197. That's gonna be coaching most likely. So let's check it out properly. OTO number, the pro is pro version of software to increase your traffic needs. Okay, so more people you can follow. OTO number 2, and the second one is the downsell, guys. Okay, so 47 is email multiplier, so done for your email copy to get more out of your leads. So once you start getting leads, you will need some good email swipes. Okay, and then so you'll get it with this OTO number 2, and OTO number 3, reseller, so you can sell this product as your own. And get 100% commission across the whole funnel, as opposed to getting only 50% as an affiliate marketer, as I do, for example, in my instance, as I promote it, right? And then OTO number 4 is the coaching. All right, guys, so that kind of takes me to the end of this review. As I said, I'm gonna have to make it sweet and short. But, you know, it's a cool training course. Neller is a very, very super friendly guy. He will want to help you. Okay, he's been really spending so much time, and he wanted some sincere and real beta testers for his products. So he's been texting with me back and forth. I made some suggestions. He took them on board, and he gave me so much more of this Instagram profile that I set up, and is already looking very nice. I think looking pretty. So I've got plenty of ideas how I'm gonna my core offer that I always promote as well here. And I'm looking forward to taking this to another level. But I'm very grateful to him, and I like his method, and I like his coaching style. And that's why I choose to promote it. All right, guys. So check it out for yourselves. The link below my review will send you to the sales page. Read through the sales page. If you wish to buy it, just buy it. And I wish you all of the success. And what else? Give me some YouTube love. That means the likes, right? I like them a lot. And subscribe to my channel, guys, for more reviews on cool products and me exposing scammy products. Okay, because I'm always brutally honest. Right, love you and leave you. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.